Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
Dapat tinuturo sa school na masama ang extrajudicial killing, masama ang red tagging, masama si Marcos, marami siyang human rights violation.
I disagree.
Nung panahon...
Okay.
I am
Attorney Gadon,
it's still my time. It's still my time. It's still my time. It's still my time.
You should not use this
It's still my time. It's still my time. It's still my time.
We'll go back
It's
to
still my time.
Espiritu first to finish his 20
It's still my time.
seconds.
It's still my time. Don't be rude.
Thank you. Attorney Espiritu, you have your 20 seconds left before you were interrupted.
Dapat tinuturuan natin ang kabataan na respetuhin ang buhay, ang human rights, respetuhin ang buhay ng lahat at hindi dapat pumapatay ang ating mga gobyerno. At hindi nagnanakaw ang ating gobyerno. Diyan tayo magkakaroon ng mga mabuting henerasyon ng kabataan.
Thank you. Attorney Gadon, you have 45 minutes for your interpellation. Yes. Yes, Attorney Gadon, you may now interpolate with Attorney Espiritu. 45 seconds.
Yeah, palagi na lang pinopoint out niya, palagi nilang sinasabi yung human rights violations ni Marcos. Unang-una, sino ba ang nagpapatay dun sa mga NPA na gustong sumurrender? Di ba si Joma? Bakit ninyo sisihin si Marcos?
Attorney Espiritu, you have 30 seconds
Sino
for your
bang bumomba sa Plaza Miranda?
Yes.
Ha? Sila Joma.
Okay. I'll go by the
Bakit nyo isisisi kay Marcos
I
yun?
thought it's my time.
We should not use this forum for a propaganda against the Marcoses. It was intended.
Yes. Attorney Gadon, your 45 seconds is over. We have 30 seconds for Attorney Espiritu's rebuttal.
Binuksan mo ang usapan, wag mo akong pagbawalan. I go by the record, Amnesty International, 3,257 ang pinatay nung panahon ni Marcos. 35,000 ang mga... It's my time, wag kang bastos. It's my time. 35,000. 35,000 ang tinorture. 70,000 ang kinulong. It's a matter of record.
Thank you. 30 seconds for rebuttal.
Noong nagkaroon ng kaso sa Hawaii, yung 10,000 human rights victims, nung ini-implement nila dito, yung nag-file sila ng petition sa RTC, wala silang naipresentang ebidensya. Pagdating sa Court of Appeals, wala rin. So asan yung sinasabi nila yung human rights violations na yan?
We have
dismissed yung kaso.
We have interpellation from Attorney Roque. That would be 45 seconds.
Kung ano man ang nangyari sa nakaraan, inisa-isa ko po ang records, wala pong kaso for human rights violation sa Amerika si Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Inisa-isa ko rin po ang mga kaso na decided po ng ating Philippine Supreme Court. Totoo po, co-administrator si Ferdinand Bobong Marcos, wala pong kaso na siya mismo nagnakaw.
Can I have... Attorney Espiritu has 30 seconds for a rebuttal, and we have a question again from Dr.
Thank you.
With all...
You have the time. You have the opportunity, Attorney Espiritu, for a 30-second
my microphone is being silenced all the time when I do my rebuttal. Can I be able to continue without my microphone being turned off?
Yes, Attorney Espiritu.
Okay, with all due respect to Attorney Harry Roque, I know your history. You were anti-Marcos before. You were for human rights before. Your life, you spent your life against the Marcoses, you work for human rights, and now that you were given a Senate spot under the party of Bongbong Marcos, now you cry hallelujah and praise Marcos.
Okay. Thank you, Attorney Espiritu. Since you alluded to Attorney Roque, we will give him 30 seconds for a rebuttal. And just for the information of our candidates, your microphones will be silenced when others still have time. So that's something that they do to give others opportunity to speak. So Attorney Roque, since you have been alluded to, you have 30 seconds for a rebuttal.
There was nothing respectful with what you said against me. Ang katotohanan po ang pinag-uusapan, hindi po ang patay na Marcos, ang pinag-uusapan ang buhay na Marcos. Sa akin po, panagutin ang mga nagkasala, pero yung mga hindi po gumawa ng kahit anong kasalanan, wag po natin idamay sa sisi. Yun lang po.
Okay. Now, we have Yes.
Pwede na
Before
natin
we,
ibalik.
sorry, I'm being spoken to by the floor director, so I'm getting confused. But let's go back to the question that was raised by Dr. Cardona, and now she's raising her hands for, I guess, a follow-up question.
Yes, it takes a topic on the children, and then this is what happens. That's why we really have a big problem on this law.
Tapos ngayon, aliw na aliw ako, yung part na tinanong si Gadon. Ay mali. May nagtanong, basta yung isang yung senior correspondent ng SMNI, nagtanong, daw guys, about child soldiers, parang ganon, should parents daw, basta about children. Tapos, out of the blue, nagulat lang ako na nagtanong na about children, na yung should parents be penalized for the crimes committed by their children, yung ganon. Tapos out of the blue, etong si Attorney Espiritu ng balibag nung issue, kaba naman guys, kaba naman ni Attorney Espiritu, dapat no, I disagree na I disagree with the proposal na parusahan ng mga magulang para sa mga kagagawa ng kanilang mga anak, ng kanilang mga minor de edad na anak na hindi pa criminally liable. At actually, dapat turuan pa natin sila ng mga values. Ganyan daw. Sabi ko, ano yun? Sabi sa isip ko, ano yun? Turuan natin sila ng mga values. Parang Marcos, masamang tao, magnanakaw, extrajudicial killings. Tapos ako parang, alam mo yung kung makakaliwa si Espiritu, gets ko naman okay lang yun. Ang hindi ko lang magets, paano niya, ang layo. Yung parang, ang layo ng sagot niya sa tanong. Parang extrajudicial killings. Hindi naman yun yung tanong. Gets nyo? Hindi naman about education ng children yung tanong. Ang tanong ay age of criminal liability. And what to do with potential impunity ng mga bata na magiging may virtual immunity kasi hindi pa umaabot ng tamang edad. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, parang wow, may sarili siyang mundo. Tapos, ang diferensya kasi, nung pumitik siya nung Marcos magnanakaw, yung parang gano'n, yung may basta Marcos, para-paraan siya, oo. Tapos, nung nagmabot siya ng Marcos, sabi ko, ay, okay lang sa akin, chill lang ako. Tapos, ang naloka ko, siyempre si Gadon, KBL yun, siyempre to the rescue yun ni Bongbong. Tapos, singit agad si Gadon. Tapos, ang diferensya, etong si, pangalan nito, si Espiritu, para nabwisit yata kay Gadon, na, I'm not yet done. At nagsisigawan na sila. Tapos ako parang, alam mo sa nagkamali si Espiritu doon, hindi doon sa pag-digress niya Hindi rin sa pag-digress na Marcos yung extrajudicial, hindi siya rin nagkamali Nagkamali siya doon sa pag-lose ng kanyang cool.